Have you lost your TV remote or it stopped working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can use just your mobile phone to control your TV to literally do everything that your TV remote can do, such as increasing and decreasing the TV volume, searching TV channels, and even using it to control your Netflix and YouTube on your smart TV. To do this, you need your smart TV, being Google TV, Android TV, or any smart TV of any type. You need just your mobile phone, and also both the mobile phone and that of the Google TV or the Android TV or smart TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Yes, this is simple, and these are the tools that you need to just use your phone to control your TV in case you lose your TV remote or even it stopped working. Now let me take you through. So you can see this is the remote for the TV. Okay, I'm literally going to control everything on this particular phone. Okay, so you can see the remote can do everything here, okay, as it goes here. Okay, so I'm going to throw this remote away and control everything on this particular phone. Okay, so what you have to do is that you go to Google Play Store or App Store and download this app called Remote Control for TV or Google Remote Controller. Okay, so you just go to Google Play Store or App Store and download this particular application. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, then you open it. Okay, after downloading and installing, then you open this particular application as you can see here. Then one thing I always want you to know is that make sure both the mobile phone that you want to use to control your TV and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So as you can see, this phone and this particular TV here are connected to the Wi-Fi of the phone that I'm using to shoot this particular video. Okay, so after downloading and installing the app and opening it, here is the setting that you have to do to activate the remote control on your phone to that of your Android TV, as simple as that. Okay, so after opening the app, then you select the particular language that you want. So English is set here, then you click on the check mark here. So here you see it will be loading. Okay, it will be loading. Since the TV and the mobile phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi, the connection has to start. Okay, so here you'll be required to select the particular TV model that you are using. Okay, so here this is the TCL. Okay, so I select TCL from here. Okay, this is the TCL. Okay, then from there I click on get ready. So here you see it will be searching for the device which is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so here you can see MediaTek and out of the Talk TV here. Okay, my TV here I've named it as Talk TV. Okay, so I just go ahead to click or select the Talk TV here. Okay, there you see it will be connecting. You see, please wait. A code will be sent to your TV automatically by default. Then you make sure you enter the code which you see on your TV on the remote application on your phone. Okay, so you enter the code here. The code here is 905F20. Okay, there is the code as you can see here. Okay, so I click on OK here. Then you see, boom. So here I can give a name to the remote, okay, of the TV that I want to control it. Okay, and also select the icon. Okay, either use this one or this particular any of them. Then click on save. So after clicking on save, you can see now this is the remote that I can use to control on my phone. So here you see as I'm going there, you see the remote is here. Okay, the remote is here. So I'm just operating the TV from my mobile phone. Okay, so I go to wherever that I want to go. I can just increase the volume here. If I want to increase the volume, I just tap on this one. You can see the volume is increasing. Okay, the volume is increasing here. Okay, you can see here the volume to I can decrease the volume. I can just mute the volume. Okay, when I mute it, you can see from my phone, okay, I can reduce or decrease the volume. Okay, so here I can go to the home page. Then everything that I can just use the remote to do, I can control this particular TV from my phone, as simple as that. Okay, let me go to some channel for us to see how it goes. Okay, so I go to the apps here. I go to the apps here. Okay, so these are the apps that I'm having. So if I want to do search, if I want to search, I can just use this one. Okay, instead of using the TV's keyboard, I can use the keyboard on the phone, which will facilitate fast typing. Okay, which will facilitate fast typing. Okay, as you can see here, it is very fast as compared to using the remote for the keyboard. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, so here I'm just going to this is the HDMI. I'm just going to satellite here. For copyright sake, I'll just show just small of the channels. Okay, just small. Okay, so here you can see I can control everything here. Select the particular channel that I want to select. Okay, as you can see here, everything is working perfectly. Okay. Alright, so basically this is the step-by-step guide on how you can control your smart TV on your Android phone or your iPhone, as simple as that. Okay, so if you see this video to be interesting and helpful, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn notifications so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so please share this video and also comment in the comment section the TV type that you are using, either TCL, Samsung, any smart TV that you are using. Comment it in the comment section below. Okay, and just come and give us feedback on the comment section if it worked for you. Here's the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.